Okay, so this video is to go along with exercise number 8 in your preparation booklets for your National 4 Numeracy assessment. And what we're now looking at are our integers, our negative numbers. So this first question talks about the temperature in Moscow being 4 degrees Celsius. It then drops to negative 8 degrees Celsius, and therefore by how many degrees did the temperature drop? Two ways of doing this really. The first of which is using a number line, and I'll draw my number line vertically because we're talking about temperature and it makes me think about a thermometer. So I have this number line here. I have 4 degrees here. I have 0, and then I have to go down as low as negative 8 degrees. So if I want to see how many degrees it's dropped, we'll have to go from 4 to 0. That's 4 degrees there. To go from 0 to negative 8, that's another 8 degrees. So it has dropped 12 degrees Celsius. That's a perfectly fine way to do it. In the next question, next example, I'll look at a slightly different way, the way which is maybe a little bit quicker. So here we have a liquid which is cooled from 11 degrees Celsius to negative 6 degrees Celsius, and then asked by how many degrees has the temperature cooled. Okay, what we're talking about here is a difference. We're talking about the difference between the starting temperature of 11 and the ending temperature of negative 6. A difference mathematically is always a takeaway. If you want to find the amount of change you get from something, you take it away from the amount of money. A difference is always a subtraction. I wrote my negative number in brackets because that's how I would enter it into my calculator. 11 take away negative 6. If I have access to a calculator, it's fine. So that is going to give me 17 degrees Celsius as a drop in temperature. Okay, let's look at one more, and I'll talk about how you might do this if, for example, in your added value unit, or when you move on to do National 5 and you have to think about non-calculator exams. How would I do this without having a calculator? Okay, again, still working in temperature. A thermometer reading drops from 12 degrees Celsius to negative 9. So I am doing 12 take away negative 9. Okay, don't have a calculator, so I want to make sure 100% I know how to do this. Taking away a negative number, we think back to when we first learned about integers, the same as adding on the same number. So that's just 12 plus 9, or a drop of 21 degrees Celsius. And that's negative numbers done. Good.